Every person left, festivities are lost, we are left alone. But we will not stop blowing lamps. We'll make our hearts lighted like a lamp and will not stop to spread happiness on other faces. We'll do the things we get happy from. And who does not like unboxing? Whether it's the unboxing of our clothes or other electronic devices, everyone likes it. Everyone likes unboxing. Unboxing gives a weird kind of happiness and a hint of joy to our heart. And while spreading all these moments, you have to fill yourself with so much power that a 30-watt charger becomes less in power. Like accessories, we don't have to be thrown away on side. But like a smartphone, have to recognize our importance. The time of depression comes on everyone. We are not going to be turned off. But with our courage and energy, we are going to turn others on as well.
Achha bhai. First of all, the design. I personally like the design. Trendy and decent look. Going to give you a premium feel in hand cause the back is made up of Korean Gorilla Glass 5 and this feel is only valid here for you haven't applied a case on this phone. A phone for noble people cause the screen size is also noble, 6.67 inches. This noble size drags us into its display. Display looks neat. The saturation and vibrance were on song, and cause the display type is IPS LCD, we get brighter colors. Super AMOLED could have been better, but by no means it's a bad display. It's a very good display, and this is what I have seen. My first impressions on the UI was it could have been better. It's okay, it's not a bad UI at all, but it could have been better. The UI looks unprofessional. First of all, the logos are unprofessional and animations could have been better. This is what I feel. So the phone is quite snappy. Every phone is. Even a 12,000 rupees phone is also snappy. Just wanted to give you the feel of this phone. Now coming to the camera. The main sensor is a GW1 sensor by Samsung, 64 megapixels. And to be honest, the pictures it takes, I've taken 2 to 5 photos, but those photos were too good. Haven't been impressed by the video mode, but the pictures from the back camera are very good. Front camera, I'm not 16 megapixel camera and I'm not impressed by that. Just average, you can say, an average, not below average, not above than that. It's an average selfie camera and the saturation is not there, the vibrance is not there, a weird kind of a whitish skin. I don't like. My Samsung Galaxy A70 was a better camera, I think. So these what my first impressions on Samsung. So these were my first impressions on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care and bye bye.